Hey guys, we're gonna be doing some computer testing here for vibration and noise. Okay, so here's my buddy Jared. He's got some awesome videos of nature. You can check him out. It's a Jared D. It's his channel. Type Jared D and then a space and bike, and you're gonna find all his videos, motorized bikes and stuff like that. Okay, so what we're doing here, I found this other guy's video here. This is a very good video he made. It's a little long, half an hour, but here's his channel, Tech Talk SG, and he's got this video for earthquake gel using so he's had a good result with that, with a felt protector and stuff like that. Let me just pop up my my speed fan. Here's one thing to note. This computer is a very good computer. It's only running the CPU at 1,000 RPM. I'm not controlling. I could control that, but I'm not. This is just the computer's doing that all on its own, that RPM. So there's no case fans. There's a GPU fan, which is very small, that's built into the GPU. So this computer right here is running with no noise and no vibration at all. So it's a powerful computer. It's an i3. You can see there, 2.93 gigahertz i3 Intel. So, but here we have the same computer. It's even faster. It's i3 3.3 gigahertz Intel. This one, here's the case. Here's a big problem. Is this company? It's called Senti. Let me get some light here. It's called Senti. And this is what happens when you buy garbage. So you can see the name there. What I found is that they're using an extremely thin gauge of metal, so everything's kind of humming, especially that it has a fan over here that's aiming at the GPU. So this one also runs not at 1,000 RPM. It runs at about 1,200 RPM. Is idle. So that's this metal is causing a lot of vibration. Other than that, it's a nice looking case. It's very like basic, but it has the vents on the bottom and stuff. But what I want to do is clean these off with some rubbing alcohol and put something on the bottom. We have over here, we have this rubber mat. It's from the toolbox. So those are the rubber mats for toolbox. We have a bicycle inner tube, and we have this thing over here. So everybody knows what these are. These are kind of like foam mats. And on one side, these are actually really good. I use these in my car instead of floor mats. So they have like a nice rubber. Almost feels like rubber. If you feel that, it feels like very good traction. That's what it's kind of made for. And then on the other side, it has a texture. So maybe I'm gonna put that on the bottom of the computer. But what I have set up here is a little some junk I have here for a base. So I might just remove this one and put a sheet of glass or something, because I'm getting a slight vibration on the base, and the whole computer is just like kind of like making a humming. And I removed the power supply to put a more quiet power supply, so it's much quieter now. But the whole case, from probably this fan, and the metal is so thin, it vibrates the whole case very slightly, so it makes like a hum. So in that guy's video, he's actually putting the gel behind every fan, because he's got a ton of fans in that computer. So and I noticed his CPU is running at about 1,400 or something, 1,500 RPM idle. So that's a very powerful computer. So that's going to make a lot of noise. But this one here, we're going to experiment. So in part 2, I'm going to try some stuff here. I also have something like this is a weather stripping. We can try that. So I'm gonna try some of this stuff here and to see if I can get rid of that hum. Maybe even remove this side panel and put some rubber or something, because I noticed that fan, I think, is making the most vibration. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.